words. Now I request Shri Rajesh Bhatt, President of Chamber of Commerce and Industries from Kutch. He is from Bhuj. I request you to please address the gathering.
Kamath Saab, respected Narang Saab, dignitaries on the dais, the super personalities of Gandhidham itself. First of all, I must say that many happy returns of the day to our Gandhidham. God bless our Gandhidham. So we, on behalf of Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Kutch, heartily welcome all the dignitaries, Kamath Saab, Narang Saab. When we went to see or meet in person to the chairman of Kandla Port Trust, that is Mr. Vagela, I think he's best friend of mine. So according to him, in Gandhidham and Kandla surrounding, for all the banks, otherwise extending the best services for making all the business, according to him, and today I'm also offering that the same thing, for having business for all the banks by extending the best services to the client. Sky is the limit, and I mean it. Why I'm telling you, so Gandhidham is surrounded or blessed by the nature best price, that is, I think, as the biggest port, that is Kandla Port, surrounding industries laid down after the earthquake. I think a steel structure, pharmaceutical, agricultural based, ceramic, a lot of industries have laid down their steps in Gandhidham surrounding after earthquake. My humble request to the authority who is handling over this particular branch.
Request our Honorable Chairman and Managing Director, Shri K.R. Kamath, to give his inaugural speech. Please, sir.
Mr. Rajesh Bhatt, President Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Kutch. Mr. Parasmal Nahata, President Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Gandhidham. Distinguished invitees, well-wishers of Allahabad Bank, my good old friends of Gandhidham, and my dear members of Allahabad Bank family. It's a great pleasure for me to be back in Gandhidham, maybe after a gap of 3-4 years. And my association with Gandhidham started in 1999 when I came to Gujarat for the first time to head the operations of Corporation Bank in Gujarat. And having branches in Kutch, we had 4 branches at those times, and Gandhidham was one of the key branches of the bank. I was frequenting into Gandhidham a lot at those times. I had understood what are the potentials of this place. I had seen what is the capacity of a bank to do business in this place. Well then, like all of us know, there was a devastating earthquake in this place. When I was also a part of the whole suffering of the people, because I was in Ahmedabad that, and in 2 days I was here trying to search where are my branches, because I was not finding the branches. Branches have gone below the earth, especially the Madhapur branch. I came and saw the first floor houses on the ground floor, and when we looked for the branch was below the earth. The safe where the money was kept, everything is below the earth. And after, I think, at 2001 I was transferred to Mangalore, and then I came back after about 3-4 years. I could see a totally different Gandhidham. I could not recognize the sea change. And when Mr. Narang said that the fighting spirit, he heard about it, I've seen what it is. The entire Kutch, and for that matter, the affected parts were reconstructed without looking to anybody. People didn't look to see where the aid comes from. People said it is our place, we need to reconstruct it, and they started. So today, this place is totally different, giving tremendous business opportunities. Sometimes it is always said that in every crisis there is an opportunity. I think the people of this place suffered the crisis but did not weep over that. They saw an opportunity and they rebuilt this place. And I'm very happy to be amidst you today, very specifically the 62nd Foundation Day of Gandhidham. What can be a better day for a bank to start their branch in this place, to coincide with date of birth along with the date of birth of the place. So we are very happy to be in Gandhidham, starting our operations from today. It's my bounden duty to introduce Allahabad Bank to you, because people may not know what is Allahabad Bank. We are little less known in this part of the country. Allahabad Bank is the oldest public sector bank of this country. Started in the on 24th of April 1865 in the holy city of Allahabad by a set of British people. There is no other bank. I would say there are so many banks which have changed their names and they are existing. But if there is a bank which started with a name and continues with the same name for 145 years in this country, it's only Allahabad Bank. We moved our headquarters from Allahabad to Kolkata because it was believed that the business happens in ports, which is true for Gandhidham. People felt that keeping their headquarters in Allahabad, you may not do much business. You need to move to a port town where the business happens. And that is the background of the decision of moving Allahabad headquarters from Allahabad to Kolkata. Lot of time people get confused. Where are you headquartered? I said, I am in Kolkata. Oh, you thought in Allahabad. Then how is your name Allahabad? Though we took our birth in Allahabad, for the sake of business, we moved to a place where there is potential. That is the history of Gandhidham. For the sake of business, people moved from different parts of the country and set up their own houses, their own offices, their own shops here, and not only prospered, but also contributed for the prosperity of this place. You can find a lot of similarity. 100 branches in Uttar Pradesh today. People ask me how many branches you have. I have got 2,270 branches in the country. 700 branches in Uttar Pradesh and 450 branches in West Bengal. So these two states, which are our home state, a place of birth, that is UP, then the place of growth, that is West Bengal, together constitutes 50% of the branch network of the bank. Somewhere 2-3 years before, the management of the bank felt that we need to grow in the areas where we have not grown, specifically South and the West. It is in this background that the management took decisions to open branches in South and the West. As a result of that, we asked Reserve Bank of India to give us almost about 14 licenses in Gujarat. We got 14 licenses in Gujarat and we are in the process of opening one by one branches. This is one of such branch. Now, having said the number of branches, we also have some small international operations. We have a branch in Hong Kong and we have a representative office in China. Our total business as on 31st December 2008 is 1,28,000 crore. Why should I say is that you should not feel that this is a small bank which has come from somewhere. We have 75,000 crores of deposits and 53,000 crores of advances. Now there are some important areas which I need to talk about. We made a profit of 504 crores for the last 9 months ended September. Last year our profit was 975 crores. There are two important ratios requirement of RBI requirement of 6%.